If I told you future of food is not complex, it is intelligently simple. The question is not what more we can add. Question is what can we remove. Let's be very clear. Consumer is not confused. He is overloaded. Options, too many ingredients and too many decisions. And somewhere food becomes complicated. Now shift is happening. Consumer is asking simple question, why food is so complicated? And this is where Simply Made comes in. Simply Made does not mean basic. It means smart simplicity. Clean ingredients, less processing, clear understanding. Consumer says, don't impress me with the complexity. Impress me with the clarity. We are not talking about food. We are decoding consumer mindset. If you are a food technologist, a student, new entrants, and startup founders, then this series is for you. Subscribe this channel and stay tuned. In the coming years, food will not win by adding more. It will win by removing unnecessary things. 5 ingredients will beat 25 ingredients. If your product needs explanation, means you are already late. Future products will be easy to understand, easy to consume, easy to trust. Complex backend, but simple front end. Future food is not about showing intelligence. It is about reducing efforts. Because real luxury of future is not money. It is time and peace of mind. This is Nitin Aras and this is Future Food Thinking Series. Next episode is on my